The Farmer and His Dreams. A story of patience and perseverance. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between hills and fields, lived a humble farmer named Ravi. Ravi was known by everyone in the village for his hard work and determination. Every day, he woke up before sunrise to take care of his fields, sow seeds, and tend to his crops. But despite his hard work, Ravi's farm wasn't producing as much as he hoped. Year after year, the harvest seemed smaller than before. Ravi had a dream, though. He wanted to grow the biggest and best crops in the village. He believed that if he worked hard enough, he could transform his farm into a place that would feed not only his family but the entire village. But there was a problem. The soil on his farm was not as fertile as other fields, and the weather was unpredictable. Many people in the village told Ravi to give up. "It's no use," they said. "You're wasting your time. Maybe it's better to stop and try something else." But Ravi didn't give up. Every day, he worked with more dedication than ever. He studied books, asked other farmers for advice, and learned new techniques to improve his crops. He understood that just like learning a new skill, farming also required patience, effort, and time. One day, an old farmer visited Ravi. The old man had heard about Ravi's struggle and came to offer some advice. "Ravi," he said, "the secret to success is not just hard work, but smart work. You need to understand your land better. Take time to learn its needs, and be patient. The best crops don't grow overnight. Like learning a language, farming is a process. Don't rush. With the right care, your land will reward you." Ravi listened carefully and followed the advice. He spent months learning about the soil, the right time to plant, and how to protect his crops from the changing weather. He also decided to improve his skills by attending workshops and meeting other farmers who could teach him better ways to grow crops. The following year, Ravi's fields looked different. He had planted new seeds at the right time and with the right care. As the months passed, his crops began to grow. The plants were healthier, the vegetables were bigger, and the harvest was bountiful. By the end of the season, Ravi's farm had produced more than anyone could have expected. The villagers were amazed by his success, and many came to learn from him. Ravi smiled with pride as he looked at his fields, but he knew that it wasn't just the hard work that had led to his success. It was also his patience, willingness to learn, and belief in himself. He had kept going, even when things seemed impossible, and had never lost sight of his dream. This story of Ravi is a powerful reminder that learning anything, whether it's farming, English, or any other skill, takes time and effort. Just like Ravi didn't give up on his farm, you should never give up on your journey to learn English. There may be days when it seems difficult, and you might feel like quitting, but remember, success doesn't come instantly. Each day you practice, you're getting closer to your goal. In the same way that Ravi transformed his land by learning and adapting, you too can transform your language skills by practicing regularly and being patient with yourself. Celebrate small victories along the way and keep learning. Whether it's reading, listening, speaking, or writing, every step you take brings you closer to success. So, like the farmer Ravi, don't give up. Stay motivated, work hard, and believe in your ability to succeed. With patience and persistence, you will achieve your dreams, just as Ravi did with his farm.